So this season I bought some raspberry bushes from online nursery, and this right here is the Annie yellow raspberry. I believe this is an early raspberry because here they are a few months later. Wasn't expecting raspberries this soon, but here we are. Even got a flower. That's the first time I've seen a flower. So that's the first bush. And here's the second one. Ooh, and it got some bite to it. Look at that. Nice. So I can't tell if this is the second one because oh, here we go. So yes, the second one has bloomed also and fruited. There we go. Look at that. So whenever I find a space for it, I'm going to put it somewhere out here. I need to see how much sun it needs. I'm thinking maybe way over there somewhere. But I have other raspberry bushes, but I am going to separate them because they're different varieties. So I'm going to weed this one and feed it and then carry on. Thanks for watching.